Moisture is a big problem in customers' homes because it's a conducive condition. Moisture is conducive for termites, for powder post beetles and crawl spaces. Moisture underneath homes can affect the wood structure and the beams, causing it to rot, causing fungus, mildew, things that not only affect the structural integrity but also affect our health.
We had a lot of moisture problems and mold in our crawl space, and we knew that was unhealthy and we just wanted to eliminate it.
Many times people think that termites were there to eat the house and that the house attracted the termites. A lot of times it's moisture that attracted the termites. So if you keep your home nice and dry, keep your gutters extended well away from the foundation, keep your crawl space dry, low humidity in the crawl space, you're not going to have nearly as many pest problems or termite problems.
We've always had a quarterly inspection, and this occasion, Tim Wolf had gone under our crawl space, and he called me on the phone and said we had some issues, and it was the fact that we had a lot of mold under our basement, and it had started coming upstairs.
If people think they have a moisture problem in, around, or underneath their home, they can call us. We'll be happy to come out and give a free inspection, take a look underneath their home. There's measurements that we can do to measure the humidity underneath homes. We have a humidistats that we install underneath the home. We'll leave it there for 3 or 4 days, and it'll let us know if that humidity in that crawl space is too high or not.
One day I noticed it and it was up to 60%, and so I called the office and John sent somebody out immediately, and the technician got up under the house and he said that the dryer vent had come undone to the outside, so it was blowing the moisture back under the house, and that had caused the reading to go up.
Even though there might not be standing water in that home, the humidity, the moisture in the air could be higher, and that alone will affect the wood structure and be a conducive condition for termites and powder post beetles. We can install a dehumidifier. And what that dehumidifier is doing is it's conditioning the air in your crawl space. It's pulling the moisture out of that air.
I used to dread going down there. Now everything is clean and encapsulated, and we have a dehumidifier. We have a device in our kitchen that tells us the humidity levels down there.
We can also check the moisture content in wood beams in the crawl space. Any moisture content above 18%, that wood's rotting very slowly, but it's rotting. So those are the things that we want to look at in people's homes. That's what we want to prevent.
We did have a moisture problem, and the guys installed a liner under the house, which they keep telling me looks wonderful, but I haven't really crawled under there to examine it.
By putting that barrier down, it keeps that moisture at bay. Here at Four Seasons Pest Control, we make sure that our training is top of the line, make sure that our equipment is the best available. We want every technician to have the tools and the knowledge to do the best job every time.